going to take on a bit of a rebuild job today. We've had long-standing issue of tree roots just down here in the inspection shaft, and we've identified that it's just a simple break in one spot that can be accessed hopefully pretty easily, so we can cut out all the old drains that are broken and get that replaced with PVC. So let's start the construction. Right, got that exposed. See the old pipe here. It's all come away. That's broken. Look at how many roots we've got in on this here. Look, there's not much room for the drain there, is there? So many roots. In fact, look at this. It just pulls away. Okay, so the old drain's all out. I'm quite happy about the way it's come out of these old sockets because they're still nice and clean and fresh. They haven't broken, and that's going to give me a good place to sort of build back to. Drops in there neatly. We've just got to bond that in place so it doesn't move. Our little root friends here don't crawl back in again. So we're just going to mix up some of the epoxy hardener. Now it comes in two parts, an A and a B, and I do these in water. This is a really good trick that I learnt from an old plumber, because otherwise you can see like this, it just sticks all over your hands and then you just get it everywhere and it makes for a messy job. When you've got them together, it sort of looks a bit like a big ball of Play-Doh, and that's what we're going to put around the fitting like that, and then glue that all into place down in the ground so it won't break away or leak and the tree roots can't get back in there. I've done the same with the epoxy down here. You can see I really made sure that's bonded into that well. So when we drop that in, squeezes up nicely. I'm just going to dress that in and then fill that whole rim up with cement. Job's a good one. That's all cut and glued. So you've got a good repair here. And also down here. Just got to cut up a riser. Get our little cap and coupling on there. Great. What I'm doing here is just priming up the plastic before we glue it, and that ensures our joints are clean and the glue actually bites into the plastic, does what it's supposed to do, rather than just sort of breaking off later on. Oop. Down the track. And there we go. Alrighty then, so all I've got left to do is get this trafficable cover on. Sit in the driveway like that. Good old Galvin's cast iron. I've got some bricks in here. We're just going to get the box to sit on top of those. The issue being, of course, that this just wants to drop down. It's just loose at the moment. That's not going to be any good while we're trying to get things to sort of set. Not having a big vise here, we sort of got to improvise a little bit, like you've seen me do. A good old cable tie. Now, where would we be without them? That and duct tape, of course. There we go. Now I can get all my concrete in and build all that up. That won't go anywhere. So the concrete's all down, and I've got the trafficable cover back down as well. And the concrete's had a good sort of half an hour or so to set, so I can take my makeshift vise off here. That's nice and solid. In a couple of days that'll all cure off and cars can come back up the driveway again. I'm just so happy with the way this has turned out. Here's your access cap. If anything does happen in the future, we can get back into that.